At Safari Live, we follow the lives of our resident leopards very closely. They all have names, and most of them are very easily identified. For more than 3 years, Tingana has been the resident male. He is around 12 years old and the father of most of the offspring in the area, including the latest addition of the Safari Live family, Tandi's little cub. But at the beginning of this year, an intruder arrived. And his name is Hukumuri. Little is known about this big male leopard, but the look on his face sends chills down your spine. We think he's about 6 years old, and he takes his name from the dry riverbed in the southern Sabi Sands. Nobody truly knows where this interloper originates from, but what we do know is he's in his prime and he's a fatal threat to Tandi and her cub and any other cub he has not fathered. Many of us expected Tingana to challenge the intruder and defend his territory, but it seems as if the old male is not up for the fight. It may even be that Tingana has fallen ill. This is bad news for Tandi and her young cub. We have watched Hukumuri make himself more and more comfortable in Djuma, pushing ever deeper into Tingana's territory, scent marking as he goes. This in turn is pushing Tandi and her cub further away from us, and she's trying her best to avoid him at all costs. We don't know if these two male leopards have interacted under the cover of darkness, but what we do know is that he has stolen a bushbuck kill from Tingana. The future for the leopards of Safari Live is unclear, but if Tingana does not challenge Hukumuri soon, the usurper might be here to stay. The bush is calling. Subscribe yourself to Safari Live and immerse yourselves in all things wild and wonderful. If that is not enough, click the bell below for your daily dose of wild safaris.